How to redeem a gift card on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines here, scroll down and click on credit cards, promos, and gift cards. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Add at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Add, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, add your gift card number. After you've added your gift card number in here, press on Add Funds at the bottom. After you click on Add Funds at the bottom, gift card discount will be added in your account. And this is how to redeem a gift card on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.